Hi everyone, welcome to VFX Grace. Recently, we've already updated 3D Particle Brush 1.6. Here are two amazing functions, roughness curve and random thickness. It's very helpful for us to create a realistic and organic hair. Now let's get started. This tool runs over a compiled version, so just click and open it. A simple scene gets ready. Find the Children tab and then fold it, then Roughness. Here is the first function. Use curve to control uniform, endpoint, and random. Roughness is generally used to add fine details. But you may learn, roughness controls the whole hair. That is, we're not allowed to adjust a certain part of one hair separately. Exactly this function will do. Let's start off with uniform. Set the size to 0.05 and uniform to 0.02. By default, the hair is bent evenly. Let's try the curve to bend the root less and the tip more. Check Use Uniform Curve. Here a ramp appears. The abscissa maps from hair root to tip. The ordinate represents the intensity of the uniform. Pull the left point down. We can see from root to tip, the hair gets curved gradually. Adjust the curve further as needed. Through a curve, we can tweak the intensity freely. Pretty convenient and intuitive. Then endpoint. The same principle actually. Bring up the endpoint and reduce the shape a little bit. Say I just want the endpoint to work on the middle part and exclude the tip and the root. Let's get to it. Pull both points down and add the point and raise it up. Adjust the curve further as per your reference. Cool. Very handy, right? Next, random. Increase random. Suppose I want the random work stronger near the root and weaker near the tip. Let's make it. Dig Use Random Curve. Pull the right point down. Then adjust the curve a bit. Okay, done with it. Let's see the comparison between before and after. Alright, let's move on to the next function. Find out hair shape and unfold it. After Use Radius Curve, we updated Use Diameter Random. By default, there is no way to set random thickness for the hair in one particle system. Use Diameter Random exactly takes care of this concern. Here's the demonstration. Check it first. Okay, the hair reveals random thickness. Diameter seed, start, and threshold. These three parameters give us finer control. First, diameter seed. It's just a random seed. I believe you got it. Then start controls the random intensity of thickness. Keep your eyes on the hair. When I increase it, the random intensity of thickness gets lower gradually. When reaching 1, all the hairs return to their original thickness. Then threshold. It controls the proportion of the hair in random thickness. By default, it's 0. All the hair is of random thickness. When increasing it, the hair in the original thickness is getting more. When reaching 1, all the hairs return to their original thickness. And when reducing it, more hairs approach the finest shape until all the hairs become the finest shape. Alright, let's adjust the hair with this function. Set the threshold to wanted value, and then change the start to get the proper random intensity. This function helps us out to easily achieve a hair shape with all the hairs in different thicknesses, which greatly improves the efficiency that we groom a complicated hairstyle. Alright, hope you like the new functions. Thanks for watching.